Hi, my name is Ankit Yadav and I'm from Lucknow, and I have done the graduation in B.Sc, and basically I am from the non-tech background, and I was looking for the job in the IT sector. So one of my friends suggested me to you should get enrolled in the IT internship program from the Evision. So I searched about Evision, and then I found the course and I enrolled in it. And from Evision, I completed my internship program, and it was very helpful for me for my career to get enrolled in the IT sector. The teachers are very supportive, and they explain me everything that I could understand very precisely. And all the staff of the Evision is very helpful. They help every time when you have the doubt, they solve the doubt. And with the help of Evision, I got a job in the Aforeserve company that is in Gurugram, and I am working there. I have started my journey as a desktop support engineer uh, here, and I am very happy now. And I would like to a special thanks to every team members of the Evision. They helped me they helped me in this so that I could able to get the job in the IT sector. Thank you, Evision. Thank you.